Lots of new as well as old Linux users tend to distro hop quite frequently to experiment various distros before settling down with one for a longer period of time. Every time you want to try or install a new distro, you have to create one bootable USB device to boot from. Every time formatting and creating new bootable USB is not so exciting. Today we'll see how we can use one common USB drive which we can use to hold multiple distro ISOs at the same time. It'll be useful for system admins as well who needs to install multiple operating systems on multiple PCs every day. Meet ventoy, a new bootable USB creating software which will let you create a single USB with 5, 6, or even 10 operating systems, and all of those will be bootable. Go to the download section, it will redirect you to its GitHub page. Of course it's free and open source. Download ventoy and extract the setup file. Then you can run ventoy using the executable file. Ventoy supports both Windows and Linux. Select the desired USB drive from the drop-down menu and click on Install. Installation will only take a couple of seconds. After installing, you will see one partition called ventoy in your system. Open that partition and copy the bootable ISOs to that location. You can even use Windows ISO if you want. After copying the files, reboot your system and boot from the USB drive. After booting up, you'll see the ventoy boot screen with all the ISO files you have copied. You can select any one of them and it will boot up that ISO. That's it for today. Please like and share this video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more contents like this in future. Happy distro hopping!